This is a story about Mark and Sarah, two friends who live in the city. One weekend, they decide to visit a small village outside the city. Through their trip, we will practice real English conversations you may hear when traveling, meeting people, shopping, and eating in a village. Planning the trip. Mark: Hey Sarah, do you want to do something different this weekend? Sarah: Sure, what do you have in mind? Mark: Let's visit the village near the river. I heard it's very peaceful. Sarah: That sounds great. I need a break from the city noise. Speaking head listening tip. Notice how "do you want to" often sounds like "do you wanna" in fast American English. Arriving at the village. Mark and Sarah drive for 2 hours. They see green fields, trees, and small houses. Chickens and cows walk near the road. Sarah: Wow, this place is beautiful. Mark: Yeah, look at the farms. Everything looks fresh and green. Sarah: Let's stop near the market. I want to see what people are selling. They enter the small market. Farmers are selling vegetables, fruits, bread, and handmade items. Farmer: Good morning. Would you like some apples? They are fresh from the farm. Sarah: Yes, please. How much are they? Farmer: They are $3 for a basket. Sarah: That's a good price. I'll take 1 basket. Mark: Excuse me, do you also sell honey? Farmer: Yes, I do. Here's a jar of honey. It's natural and sweet. Speaking head speaking tip. When asking for prices, Americans often say, "How much is this? What's the price?" Meeting the villagers. After shopping, they walk around the village. They see children playing and old men sitting outside. Old man: Hello. Are you visiting? Mark: Yes, we are from the city. This is our first time here. Old man: Welcome to our village. Enjoy your stay. Sarah: Thank you. Everyone here is so friendly. Lunch at a small café. They feel hungry and stop at a small café. Waitress: Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you? Mark: Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Sarah: I'd like vegetable soup and bread. Waitress: Sure, and what would you like to drink? Mark: Just water, please. Sarah: I'll take tea. A few minutes later, the waitress brings their food. Sarah: This soup is delicious. Mark: My sandwich tastes so fresh. Exploring nature. After lunch, they go for a walk near the river. They see birds, flowers, and trees. Sarah: This is so relaxing. I can hear the birds singing. Mark: And look at the water. So clear. Sarah: I feel happy here. In the evening, they prepare to leave. Sarah: I don't want to go back to the city yet. Mark: Me too, but we can come again next weekend. Farmer: Thank you for visiting our village. Come back anytime. Sarah: We will. Goodbye. The beauty of a village is something truly special, something that feels calm and peaceful the moment you arrive. Unlike the busy city, where there is constant noise and traffic, a village is full of quiet roads, fresh air, and open spaces. The fields stretch wide with green grass, golden crops, and colorful flowers that dance gently in the breeze. The sound of birds singing in the early morning and the sight of the sunrise behind the trees make you feel close to nature. Villages have small houses, friendly neighbors, and smiling faces that make you feel welcome. People live a simple life, often working on farms, taking care of animals, or growing fruits and vegetables. In the evening, the sky becomes painted with shades of orange and pink, and children can be seen playing in the open fields while families gather outside to talk and share stories. The stars shine brighter in the village because there are no tall buildings or bright city lights to hide them. Life in the village is slower, but it is filled with warmth, honesty, and peace. The beauty of the village is not only in the scenery but also in the way people live together, helping each other and enjoying the simple joys of life.